Lord, we thank you for gathering everyone here today. We ask that you help Brittni and Charlie to remember the strong love that they share. To work that love into practical things so that nothing can divide them. May their love always inspire them to be kind in their words, considerate of others' feelings, and concerned for the other's needs and wishes. Bless their marriage with peace and happiness, both here and in eternity. Amen.
Steady through the highs and lows, closer than your skin and bones. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. Shining in your darkest night, holding your heart in mine. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. I'll carry you through heartache and trouble, and nothing drag you down. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. I'll be the one to give you rest. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. I'll carry you through heartache and trouble, and nothing drag you down. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul. We'll never let this love grow cold. We'll never let this love grow cold. But there's no mountain we can't climb. We're crossing over the great divide. Take my hand, we'll run away. Here with you, my heart will stay. There's no mountain we can't climb. We're crossing over the great divide. Take my hand, we'll run away. But here with you, my heart will stay. Here with you, my heart will stay. We'll never let this love grow cold. We'll never let this love grow cold.
we are gathered together on this day to witness and celebrate the marriage of Brittni and Charlie. We come together not to mark the start of a relationship, but to acknowledge and strengthen a bond that already exists. This ceremony is a public affirmation of that bond. As their dearest friends and family, it is our honor and privilege to stand witness to this event. Marriage. Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find and bring out the very best in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth that no other human relationship can equal. A physical and emotional joining that has the promise of a lifetime. Seeing that no moment is without meaning, we ask that you take this marriage as a beginning of your lives together. Today signifies the creation of a new home and a new family to you both. May you be fulfilled in each other's love and friendship. May you be overjoyed by the promises you are about to make and the life together you will create. Remember that in every marriage, there are good times and bad, times of joy and times of sorrow. Marriage is a journey, a time of adventure and excitement enhanced by the love, trust, dedication, and faith you share with one another. You are mature enough to know the differences between dreams and realities. You have youth and hope. You also know good times are sweeter when shared, and that difficult times are less harsh when borne by two. Continue to work to build a foundation that will support the lasting relationship that is marriage. May the promises you make to one another today be lived out to the end of your lives. Tomorrow can bring you the greatest of joys, but today is the day it all begins.
Charlie, I can't believe it's been 5 summers ago now that you caught my eye. Not only because of your lovely charm, biceps, and dance moves, but because you were you, a genuine, kind, funny person. We slowly grew to know and understand each other in a way that was unlike anything I've ever known. A lot has happened these past few years. We have grown as a couple, we've experienced sadness and joy, but most importantly, we loved. The love you've shown me is beyond anything I could have hoped or dreamed for. We face challenges and are sure to face many more, but I'm confident we can confront anything together. Because of you, I laugh, I smile. I dare to dream, maybe a little too much. You are the real deal, my best friend, my soulmate, the one I've waited for my entire life. So on this day, I give you my heart, my promise that I will walk with you hand in hand, wherever this journey leads us, living, learning, loving, together forever, for a lifetime with you could never be enough.
Brittni, the reason that I feel we are perfect together is because we let each other into sides that we do not let others see. Most people know that you are at some times reserved and hate being the center of attention, which isn't great today. However, I love that I am one of the few people that gets to your goofy side, and it makes me feel very special that I get to see you when you are unfiltered. Being able to see that side is why I fell in love with you. On the other side, most people probably read me as an open book that enjoys being at the center of attention. However, you are one of the few people that gets to see me when I am upset and distant. Together, we seem different, but I know that we will always stick together. Do you know why? Because you are Britt, and I am Chuck, and we fly together. And just when some think that we might break apart, Britt and Chuck fly together. And when the wind blows hard and the sky is black, Britt and Chuck fly together. And when the roosters are crowing and the cows are spinning circles in the pasture, okay, Britt and Chuck fly together. And when everyone says there's a couple that's completely in love, Britt and Chuck fly together.
Today you have pledged yourselves to a lifetime of caring for one another. As you stand before us, it is our hope that you will go through life loving, trusting, and caring for one another completely and forever. Brittni and Charlie, from this moment forward, you will never be alone. You will carry with you the love of another person, giving you a completeness and renewed likeness. May your life together be immersed in love and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every possible way. Having pledged their fidelity to one another, to love, honor, and cherish one another in the presence of this gathering, and by the authority invested in me by the Constitution and the laws of this state, it is my honor to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Chaz, and I'm one of Brittni's best friends for the past, 24 years, I would say. Brittni and I have known each other for, like I said, a very long time. She has come to mean so much to me. We've been there for each other through some of the hardest times in our lives, to the happiest times of our lives. I'm just so happy for the person she has become and the life she has chosen for herself, especially the man she has chosen to spend the rest of her life with. Charlie, you bring out the best in Brittni and make her alive. The first time I met Charlie was at Mason-Dixon. Brittni insisted we go there because she wanted me to meet him. Charlie was playing a little bit hard to get that night, and Brittni was just dancing away, but who knew Charlie was quite the dancer himself. So they both danced into each other's hearts. I can't wait to see what the future holds for the both of you as a couple. I wish for this to be the first of many best days of your lives. Congrats, you two.